Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all safe in your homes. Today we are going to start a lesson from class 3rd subject maths. In the previous class you have learned about the shapes. Let us recall those shapes. What are the basic shapes we have learned in the previous classes? Those are rectangle, triangle, square, circle, etc. Okay, students, we know that we are surrounded by the objects in our daily life. Most of these objects represent one shape or other shape. Those are maybe your football, water bottle, your mobile tab, or ice cream, or any gift box. So, I have a question for you. Make a list of those objects in your home whom you observe: your TV, your home carpet, or your tab or mobile. Make a list of those objects of your choice. Identify their shape. So we can say here are some objects like your sofa, a plant in your home pot, wall hanger, window, books, book rack, television, drawer, switch, and carpet. So try to identify their shape, which shape it is. Maybe it is rectangle or circle or square or a triangle. Rectangle, circle, square and triangle. Square. Square properties of plane shapes in which we choose here square. Square has 4 sides and 2 diagonals and 4 corners. A square has 4 sides, 4 corners, all sides are equal, both the diagonals are equal. And rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides, 4 corners and 2 diagonals. A rectangle has 4 sides, 4 corners, opposite sides are equal, both the diagonals are equal. Now triangle. A triangle contains 3 sides and 3 corners. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Now come to circle. Circle. Circle is like a shape of your watch, has no sides, no corners.
Shapes and spatial understanding. We have different shapes in our surroundings. Many objects around us represent one shape or the other. You have learned about some basic shapes in your previous class. Let us recall those shapes now. Observe the following picture carefully and identify the 2D and 3D shapes. These basic shapes like square, rectangle, triangle, circle are called plane figures or two-dimensional shapes. Ritesh went to a resort with his parents for a birthday party. In the resort, he started playing with his friends. They saw a pond there. Ritesh recalled the lesson taught by his teacher and identified the shape of the pond as circle. Similarly, he identified a square carpet, a rectangular photo frame, and a triangular clock there.
Okay, students, I have a small work for you. Note down the four basic shapes and square, rectangle, triangle, circle, and draw their pictures and write down the things which you can find similar to that shape at your home. In the next class, we will discuss about the 3D shapes and differences between the 2D and the 3D shapes.